Salute! Present!
I have the honor of presenting to you the letter of credence which the President of the Federal Republic of Germany, Frank-Walter Steinmeier, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as a non-resident ambassador, extraordinary and plenipotentiary to the Republic of Fiji. I have also the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Federal Republic of Germany our warmest wishes for the continued well-being and prosperity. Bulan Mata.
Will there be very